Creating a public help center without coding is easier than you think. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss way to set up a fully functional help center for your business or project, you're in the right place. I've tried out all the popular tools, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with a simple software solution. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll use, available only to viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First, you want to choose a software that's easy to use and doesn't require any technical skills. A lot of platforms claim to be no code, but I've found that some of them can still be overwhelming. The one we'll be using today is intuitive and lets you get started right away, without needing any coding knowledge. Once you've signed up, start by creating your help center. This typically involves choosing a template for your center. The software we're using offers a variety of ready-made templates to choose from. You can pick one that fits your brand's look and feel or customize it later. Now, it's time to start adding your help articles. You'll want to focus on the most common questions your customers ask. With the software we're using, it's as simple as typing them out in an easy-to-navigate editor. No need to worry about making things look good. The templates do that for you. You can even organize your articles into categories like getting started, troubleshooting, and billing. Once your articles are added, you'll want to make sure the Help Center is easy to find. Most of these software options let you integrate the Help Center right into your website or app. All you have to do is copy a small piece of code from the platform and paste it into your site. No technical expertise needed. It's really that simple. If you want to go a step further, you can add a search bar to your Help Center. This allows your users to quickly find exactly what they're looking for, improving their experience. The software we're using offers search functionality out of the box, so you don't need to worry about complicated integrations. Another feature to look out for is a contact form or support ticket system. While the Public Help Center covers FAQs, sometimes your users need personalized help. The software we're using allows you to easily set up a contact form or even a full support ticket system, so your team can manage customer queries efficiently. Again, no coding is required, just a few clicks. Lastly, don't forget to test your Help Center once it's set up. Make sure it's easy to navigate and that all the articles are visible and accessible. After all, the goal is to provide your users with a smooth and seamless experience. Key takeaway: creating a public help center without coding is entirely possible with the right software. Focus on picking an easy-to-use platform, creating helpful and well-organized content, and making sure everything is integrated seamlessly with your website or app. The key here is simplicity and usability. Don't overcomplicate things. To recap, choose the right software, create articles for common questions, integrate it with your site, add a search bar and contact form, and test everything before launching. Remember, the software we've used in this tutorial makes all of this incredibly easy. Before you go, take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out if you want to follow along and create your own public help center without coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.